Hi friends, welcome to Popz.
Come on and play. Come on and sing. Come on and learn in Popz Treehouse.
We're here to make some tasty summery treats, and my friend has come to help us.
Hi. Today we're going to make a yummy treat that's called yogurt ball.
Some ingredients that you need to make this tasty treat are
Yogurt, strawberries, melted peanut butter and melted chocolate, banana and blueberries.
For our first step, you need a baking tray. What you want to do is take about 2 cups of your Greek yogurt and put it on your baking tray. We're going to make 2 different kinds today. One with strawberries and blueberries, and another with bananas, melted chocolate, and peanut butter. So taking your 2 cups of Greek yogurt, you want to kind of spread it around evenly, about 1/2 inch high. So that will be our first yogurt bark, and another scoop for the other one. We'll make 2 different kinds on the same baking tray. Perfect. Now it's time for the best part, the toppings.
Yeah. I'm going to put
Let's take our strawberries and put it on our 1 yogurt bark.
over here.
That looks so tasty.
This is going to be so yummy.
Friends, do you know what color strawberries are? Shout out your answers. If you said red, you're right. It's my favorite color. What's your favorite color, friend?
My favorite color, I have to say red.
That's my favorite color too. Ooh, that's looking very pretty. Why don't we put some blueberries next? Perfect. We have our first yogurt bark done. Now let's make our other one. For this one, we're going to use bananas, chocolate, and peanut butter. First, let's put our bananas on top. Here, I'll bring it closer for you. Now I think it's time for our chocolate drizzle and peanut butter. Let's take our tasty chocolate and drizzle it all over on top. Now let's drizzle some tasty peanut butter. We'll put this, oh, lick it up, there you go. Take it, yeah. Here you go. And we'll drizzle some tasty melted peanut butter. Yeah. My tummy is rumbling. I'm so hungry. We're gonna put this in the freezer for about 2 hours to make it nice and hard. And after, when it comes out of the freezer, it'll look like this. A delicious, tasty summer treat. Should we have a bite?
Yeah.
Let's do it. All you have to do after you take it out of the freezer is cut it up into pieces. Ooh, it's a little tough. There we go.
Yeah. I'm going to take this. I'm going to taste you. This is so cool. Ooh, that's cool.
Is it good?
Yeah.
That's really tasty and really refreshing. You can make any combination you want with any toppings or ingredients that you have around your house. Oh, my teeth are cold.
Yeah, so we tried the other one.
Let's do it.
I'm going to do the one with the strawberries because those are my favorite. The strawberries are my favorite, the strawberries.
This one's hard to cut. Always make sure to have a grown-up cut this with you, just in case you have to use something sharp.
Yeah.
How is it?
It's a little hard to bite, but it's good.
Thanks for stopping by the Treehouse today, friend. I had a really fun time making this delicious treat with you.
Bye, friends.
Later, Gators!